Hey guys, today we're at the intersection between Minden Street and 5th Street. So today we'll be crossing with this Campbell pedestrian signal. It doesn't even work. It's drilled in. Like, what kind of idiot drilled this in? Let's try this side. Doesn't even work. Who did this and why? Did they disable APS here? We're gonna get a walk sign anyway. It's red. There we go. Walk sign is on the cross. Came to check out this Fortran traffic light here, which is fairly new. It's pretty clean as well. Anyways, let's get back to the other side. We still got walk signs, so... Oh, now it's counting down. We got a shiny Fortran there too. We got a shiny Fortran there as well. And we got 2 Fortran with an added arrows on it. We got walk sign up there. And you got Fortrans up there. That one is a Fortran there. Let's test out this button. Is it disabled too? Oh, it works. You got Fortran up there. You got those 2 Fortrans there. I'm sure looking all shiny and clean. Got Fortran there, like I showed. You got Fortran there. You got Fortran there. And let's cross to the other side. There we go, we're about to get walk sign. You got those Fortran arrow signals, or kind of light. Let's check them out. These buttons seem to not work. They don't want to work. There we go. We got walk sign anyway. Yeah, those are Fortran. Those are Fortran. And that's a Fortran, yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.